Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quantsapp. This is the morning brief, and this is Vicky Sajnani here. Let's get started with the Nifty and Bank Nifty update. 214 points gain in Nifty, and 500, roughly 550 points gain in Nifty Bank. So clearly, 1.36% up was Nifty, and Nifty Bank was up 1.61%. Looking at the SGX Nifty, 107 points gain at 758 this morning. 16097 is where it's pointing at. So clearly, this is about the threshold psychological level of 16,000. Looking at the charts, clearly, we are seeing the top-to-top trend line. And now, if that gets broken and the gap which was formed earlier on, that should get conquered, which is thereabouts of 16,200. So 16,200 happens to be the resistance point, and after that, the next major level is 16,500 and 16,790 as visible from the charts. On the lower side, 15,500 and 15,200 and 15,000 happen to be the major levels as a support zone for Nifty. Looking at the built-up futures, you're clearly seeing some amount of shorts which came in day before. And yesterday, again, longs have come in. So let's see how it pans out, especially with lots of moving parts and crude oil also showing all kinds of direction out there. So we'll have to see how it evolves during the day. On the OI front, options OI front, we are seeing 16,200 as a stiff point resistance, and then followed by 16,500. On the lower side, I think we can see the major thereabouts of 15,800 and then 15,500. So that's as far as the put OI is concerned. Looking at the pain factor, maximum pain level is pointed at 15,950. That's what it's signaling. As far as the Bank Nifty is concerned, Bank Nifty should also show some gains this morning. In piggybacking from gains from Nifty. 34,500 happens to be a stiff point here, and then 36,000. So it's roughly close to the resistance levels as of now. On the lower side, 33,000 and 32,000 happen to be the major levels as far as Bank Nifty is concerned. As far as the future OI built up is concerned, you have seen some amount of longs coming in. So let's hope that that continues and you have some buying interest coming in into the Bank Nifty. As far as the options OI is concerned, major support zone is 34,000 and 33,500. On the resistance side, 34,500 and 35,000 happen to be the stiff points of resistance. The pain factor 34,200. So that's what is the pain level being touted as. Okay, top gainers and top losers: ABB, Honeywell Automation, Dal Bharat, and on the losers end, ONGC, Balrampur Chini, and NMDC. As far as the index contribution is concerned, you had reasonable gains from 59.85 points gain from private banks, and 52.79 points gain from FMCG, followed by auto, which is IT and auto. IT was 31 points and auto was 27 points. You're seeing losses from oil sector and metals and cap goods. As far as the long build-up is concerned, auto ancillary, cap goods, cement, FMCG, all in the long end. On the short end, metals and oil are placed at the short end. We have one stock on the buy side, the first stock, which is Ambuja Cement. So Ambuja Cement, I believe about 375 should be a good target, a good candidate to buy in for 390, 395 levels. Supports being placed at 355, 350 zone. Look at the positioning of the OI. Again, OI shows a long unwinding kind of cycle, and then again longs coming in. So clearly, I mean, Ambuja Cement is one of the candidates on the long side, but as we pointed out, that 375 is a stiff point. So we'll have to see how that pans out. 380 on the radar as far as the OI picture is concerned. So 380 happens to be the stiff resistance point for the open interest. And on the support zone, 350, 360 are the two major levels to watch out for. The next stock on the buy side is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, again, we are seeing some buying interest coming in with the RSI position well, and also prices almost scaling 50-day moving average and close to the resistance point. 708, 725 happen to be the resistance on the higher side. 665, 635 happen to be the major supports. The OI picture, as far as the futures OI is concerned, we have seen some amount of short covering. So let's see how it pans out. It's not a clear picture here, but then looks like from the charts, it is on the buying interest trend. As far as the option placing is concerned, 700 happens to be a stiff point on the higher side, and the supports being at 680 thereabouts. So that's how the OI picture is showing up. As far as the ban list is concerned, none of the stocks are in the ban list as of now. And this is summarizing 200 support zone, 200, 500 happen to be the resistance points for Nifty. 500, 33,000 happen to be the support zone for Nifty Bank. 500, 35,000, 36,000 happen to be the resistance points. Sectoral long built up, auto ancillary, FMCG, cap goods. On the short side, metals and oil are the short. Two stocks which we discussed was Ambuja Cement above 375. Bharti Airtel also a good candidate. So let's see how it pans out. Above 700, 710 is Bharti also is a buying candidate. None of the stocks in the ban list. This is our disclaimer, and with that, I would request that though we give you all the information, do consult with your financial advisor and also follow strict stop losses as per your risk appetite. That's all from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.